Step into the 2020 Ford F-150. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, rain-sensing wipers, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.